10 Best Crypto to Buy in September 2022 Before It Skyrockets. Number 1. Bitcoin, BTC. If you had invested $1,000 in BTC at the beginning of 2021, how much would it be worth at the beginning of 2022? On January 1st, 2021, Bitcoin was worth $29,374 and 15 cents. On January 11th, 2022, it was worth $41,589 and 99 cents. This means that if you invested $1,000 on January 1st, 2021, those $1,000 would now be worth $1,415 and 90 cents. If you want to start accumulating Bitcoins, the best strategy to invest in Bitcoins is to buy the dip whenever the fear and greed index is in the extreme fear stage. That is the best timing to purchase Bitcoin. Number 2. Ethereum ETH. ETH has seen its price hike by 3.73% in the last 24 hours as of September 6th. Ethereum price is now $1,634 and 23 cents. According to CoinDesk, the upcoming Ethereum's The Merge has decreased the price of GPUs significantly. Number 3. Solana Sol. Solana Network has been facing full and partial outages several times in the past 12 months due to high transaction volumes. SOL price increased by 1.86% in the last 24 hours as of September 6th. It is currently traded at $32 and 73 cents. Number 4. Polygon Matic. On September 1st, Robinhood, one of the biggest crypto exchanges, launched Matic deposits and withdrawals on Polygon. Matic price has reached $1. Experts believe that the price may reach $2 despite the high volatility. Number 5. Ripple XRP. XRP settlement between SEC and Ripple could finally be resolved, according to the crypto legal experts. FX's crypto analyst predicted that XRP price will soon see its decrease and may trigger the bearish market. Number 6. Polkadot DOT. DOT price is up by 0.54% in the last 24 hours as of September 6th. It is currently traded at $7 and 57 cents. Experts believe that the price will turn in a bullish direction. As of Q1 2022, more than 130 million DOT had already been locked in the parachains, according to Polkadot. To address the bridge issue with its blockchain, Polkadot recently introduced the cross-chain messaging system. Number 7. Litecoin LTC. Based on FexStreet's prediction, Litecoin price will hike and recover from the bull market soon. Litecoin is now traded at $60 and 27 cents, which is a 0.72% increase in the last 24 hours as of September 6, 2022. Number 8. Chainlink LINK. Chainlink is predicted to be on its uptrend, according to FStreet, with the targeted price at 91 cents. Number 9. Cardano ADA. Cardano's Vasil hard fork upgrade is confirmed to be launched on September 22nd. ADA price rose by 15.3% in the last 7 days as of September 6th. On July 13, 2022, Cardano received 201 new applications on the Cardano chain as a part of its support for the Architects of the Future agenda. Number 10. The Sandbox Sand. Sandbox has partnered with Ledger to launch School of Blocks to educate crypto safety to metaverse users. Moreover, MBC, the famous South Korean TV channel, has partnered with Sandbox to launch its metaverse original content on September 1st. On July 14, 2022, the Sandbox planned to open Alpha Pass Season 3 for additional testing. All Sandbox users have been able to produce and publish their Sandbox assets on the marketplace since the launch on July 12, 2022.